This is the Gold Glam nail salon that my niece got for Christmas. The neat thing about the packaging is that there is a wheel that you can turn right from the front of the box to view the different sticker designs that come with the salon kit. And they have a picture of what the designs could look like on your painted nails as well. Let's go ahead and open the box and take a look at the contents. And then we'll do a demo and see what the results look like. The first thing I noticed as I was helping my niece open the box is that the contents are very well packed and you will need scissors to cut some of the packaging. The kit comes with a large instruction pamphlet with lots of colored pictures. Inside, you will find a list of all the contents included in the kit. There are also tips on how to prepare your nails as well as step-by-step instructions on how to stamp your nails. Let's take a look at the unit and the contents. First, you can select from one of the 5 design pods. To switch between them, you just slide one out and insert it into the top chamber. And if you change your mind or want to select a different design from another pod, simply press the blue button below the chamber and swap it out. Once the pod is inserted into the chamber, you can already see the sticker design options from that pod. When you're ready to stamp your nail, you can rest your finger in the finger pad of the chamber. And if you haven't selected a design yet, you can still use the eye hole up top and turn the large pink knob on the back to view the various designs. You can continue to rotate the wheel until you find a design you like or swap out for another design pod. And here's the wheel at the back of the unit that I was referring to. And the purple knob on the side will be used to help rotate the design from the design pod once it has been used. We'll show you shortly how that works. On the opposite side, there's an area to place your fingers to dry. The kit also comes with 2 nail polish shades, a purple one and a blue one. There's also a clear coat and a toe separator so you can do a pedicure as well. And to get organized, you can set the bottles of nail polish onto the shelf on the side. Let's go ahead and test this Go Glam Nail Salon. First step is to select a nail polish shade and shake it up. Then apply the nail polish. And for the purposes of this demo, we'll just do one nail so you can see what the process looks like. So here's one nail with a base coat of purple on. And if you don't like the shades the kit comes with, I would suggest using your own nail polish if you have any. Next, place your painted finger or fingers onto the side platform and turn on the dryer. There is a purple on-off button right above. And while you're waiting for the polish to dry, you can refer to the design wheel and see what designs you like for the sticker. When your polish is dried, insert a design pod, rotate the wheel until you have the desired design, and then place your finger inside the design pod chamber. Then press the top pink button above and hold for a few seconds. This will stamp the sticker design directly onto your nail. Release and then remove your finger. The sticker design is now transferred from the design pod onto your nail. Now, to return the design pod to the shelf below, you'll first need to use the purple knob on the side to flatten the plastic where the sticker design was. To do that, all you need to do is insert the purple knob into the purple hole located at the back of the pod and then turn and rotate counterclockwise several times. Now we're ready to return the pod into its slot on the bottom shelf. The final step is to put on a clear coat to set everything in place. To speed up the drying time, you can use the unit's dryer as well. And if you need to do your toes, there's a toe separator and you can remove the design pod chamber from the unit and now your salon is portable.